Hey guys, we are back at one of the new HMOs that we manage in Tamworth. So let's have a quick look. One of the current tenants have unfortunately had to give notice due to some issues with the family, so some sudden issues with the family. They're still in their minimum term, but unfortunately they have to leave. So in a situation like this, what we normally do is obviously, you don't want to keep people where they don't want to be. So in a situation like this, what we say is, our policy is that the tenant is still responsible to pay the rent up until the minimum term or up until we find somebody suitable and they move in. And that can normally take as quick as a week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe 3, but it's normally under a month. And they normally give a month's notice anyway. And obviously they'll pay for any lettings fee involved in getting a new tenant. That, in my opinion, is the most fair way, fair approach, fair policy, because at the end of the day, you still have to protect the landlord's interests, your client's interests. Contracts are there for a reason. It gives everybody stability. There's responsibilities both sides. And this policy, in honesty, has worked really well. What I'm doing here today is I'm taking some new marketing videos. This is a room. And also taking some viewings. So I've had like 4 viewings here already for the room. I'd like to, obviously it's not fair, well not fair, but tenants can't really afford to pay rent in 2 places or rent somewhere where they're not staying. So what I try to do is get the room let as quickly as possible without obviously the landlord client losing out. So we've taken 4 viewings here today. I think the tenant gave notice 2 days ago formally, and we've just secured a tenant for the room. So great result for everybody involved, for the outgoing tenant, for our landlord client, and obviously for us as well, because it means that we're able to help one of our tenant clients. So new marketing pictures, make sure everything's up to date, do the quick inspection, took some viewings, and we're all in one day's work. Anyway, my name is Nguyen. We're letting manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham and in Tamworth as well. This is one of the Tamworth properties. If you like this sort of stuff, please don't forget to like and follow for more. Okay, I think I'm just going to wrap up. I've met the cleaning team. I don't think there's anything else to do here. Essentially, just do another inspection. All right, see you.